Want to know what books self-made millionaires actually read? Not the fluff, the real stuff that builds wealth, shifts your mindset, and gets results? In this video, I'll reveal 7 books that helped everyday people become millionaires. And they can help you too. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Look in the description below for wealth-building tools and income opportunities. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the bookshelves of self-made millionaires. These are the 7 books that have been game changers for those who've made it big, and the ones that I believe can do the same for you. So, grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes because we're about to unlock some serious knowledge. First up, we're starting with a classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Hill spent years studying the ultra-wealthy and distilled their secrets into 13 principles for success. He interviewed some of the most successful people of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison, and Henry Ford. This book is all about mindset, teaching you the power of belief, visualization, and surrounding yourself with the right people. Hill emphasizes that your thoughts are incredibly powerful and can shape your reality. It's about setting clear goals and having an unshakable desire to achieve them. Hill provides practical steps to help you define your goals and create a plan to reach them. Before reading this, I thought success was all about luck, but Hill shows you that success is a formula, and it all starts with your mindset. He breaks down the process into actionable steps that anyone can follow. One of the key takeaways is the importance of a burning desire. This isn't just a casual wish, it's a deep, all-consuming passion for your goals. Hill emphasizes that you need to be absolutely obsessed with your goals. This level of obsession drives you to take the necessary actions, no matter how challenging they may be. Another crucial principle is the power of auto-suggestion, or affirmations. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can influence your subconscious mind. Hill believed that by repeatedly feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts, you can reprogram it for success. This practice helps to build confidence and reinforce your commitment to your goals, but it's not just about thinking, it's about taking action. Hill makes it clear that thoughts alone won't bring success. You must act on your plans. Hill stresses the importance of persistence, of never giving up on your dreams. He shares stories of individuals who faced numerous obstacles but ultimately succeeded because they refused to quit. He emphasizes the importance of surrounding yourself with a mastermind group. This is a group of like-minded individuals who support and challenge each other to achieve their goals. Think and Grow Rich is a must-read for anyone serious about achieving financial success and living a fulfilling life. It's not just a book, it's a blueprint for transforming your mindset and your life. Next, we're diving into a book that completely changed the way I view money and investing. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki shares his experiences growing up with 2 father figures, his biological father and his friend's father, the rich dad. One of the most impactful lessons is the distinction between assets and liabilities. This book teaches you that true wealth comes from acquiring assets like businesses, real estate, and investments. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education. He argues that schools fail to teach us about money, leaving us ill-equipped to manage our finances. Another key takeaway is the importance of taking risks and embracing failure. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to challenge their beliefs about money and explore alternative paths to wealth creation. It's a game changer that encourages you to think differently about money. Now let's talk about a book that debunks the stereotypical image of a millionaire. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is not just another financial guide, it's a deep dive into the real lives of America's wealthy, shattering many of the myths we commonly hold about what it means to be rich. This book is a fascinating study of the habits and lifestyles of America's wealthy. It reveals that the true millionaires are often not the ones flaunting their wealth with flashy cars and extravagant homes, but rather those who live quietly and modestly. The authors found that most millionaires are remarkably frugal, live below their means, and have built their wealth through hard work and smart financial decisions. They prioritize saving and investing over spending, and this disciplined approach is what sets them apart. One of the key takeaways is the importance of living below your means. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making conscious choices about spending and saving. True wealth isn't about how much you earn but how much you keep. It's about accumulating assets and minimizing liabilities. This principle is fundamental to achieving long-term financial stability. Another important lesson is the power of long-term investing. The book emphasizes that wealth is not built overnight but through consistent and patient investing over many years. Most millionaires didn't get rich quick but accumulated their wealth over time through consistent investing. They understand the value of compound interest and the importance of starting early. The book also challenges the notion that a prestigious college degree is a prerequisite for financial success. It shows that many successful individuals have achieved their wealth through entrepreneurship and hard work, rather than academic accolades. Many millionaires are self-made entrepreneurs who didn't necessarily graduate from Ivy League schools. They built their businesses from the ground up, often starting with very little and growing their wealth through perseverance and innovation. The Millionaire Next Door is a must-read for anyone who wants to understand the true nature of wealth and how to achieve it. It's filled with practical advice and real-life examples that can inspire anyone to adopt better financial habits. It's a refreshing reminder that financial success is attainable for anyone willing to adopt the right habits. The book encourages readers to take control of their financial future by making informed and disciplined choices. It's about being disciplined, living within your means, and making your money work for you. By following the principles outlined in this book, anyone can start on the path to financial independence and security. Now let's get into the world of investing with The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is a must-read for anyone serious about investing in the stock market. Graham teaches you how to analyze companies, understand financial statements, and make sound investment decisions based on intrinsic value. One of the key concepts is the margin of safety. Graham stresses the importance of buying stocks when they are trading significantly below their intrinsic value. He also distinguishes between the enterprising investor and the defensive investor. The Intelligent Investor is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a comprehensive guide to building wealth through disciplined, value-oriented investing. It's a book that requires careful study, but can reward those who master its principles with financial security. Let's be real. Sometimes we need a little motivational kick in the pants when it comes to our finances. It's easy to get stuck in a rut, feeling like we're never going to get ahead. But what if there was a way to change that? That's where You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero comes in. This book isn't just another financial guide, it's a game changer. This book is a blend of humor, inspiration, and practical advice to help you overcome your limiting beliefs about money. Sincero's witty and relatable style makes complex financial concepts easy to understand and apply. Sincero combines her personal experiences with actionable steps to help you shift your mindset and create a healthier relationship with money. She shares her own journey from struggling to make ends meet to becoming a successful entrepreneur. One of the key takeaways is the importance of recognizing and challenging your money stories. These are the narratives we've been telling ourselves about money, often without even realizing it. Sincero believes that we all have subconscious beliefs about money that can either empower or sabotage our financial success. By identifying and rewriting these stories, we can pave the way for greater financial abundance. The book also emphasizes the importance of gratitude and abundance. Sincero teaches that by focusing on what we already have and being grateful for it, we can attract even more positive financial experiences into our lives. Sincero encourages readers to focus on the good in their lives and believe that there is more than enough money to go around. This shift in perspective can be incredibly powerful in transforming our financial reality. You Are a Badass at Making Money is a fun and engaging read that combines practical advice with a healthy dose of self-love and empowerment. It's not just about making money, it's about becoming the best version of yourself in the process. Now let's talk about a book that challenges the traditional work-life balance, The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. This book is for anyone who's ever dreamed of escaping the 9-to-5 grind. Ferriss argues that the traditional model of working for over 40 years and then retiring is outdated. One of the key concepts is the DEAL framework: definition, elimination, automation, and liberation. Ferris encourages readers to define their ideal lifestyle, eliminate unnecessary tasks, and automate or outsource repetitive work. The book also emphasizes the importance of building a business or income stream that's not tied to your time. The 4-Hour Workweek is a thought-provoking read that challenges conventional thinking about work and life. Finally, we're going back in time to ancient Babylon with The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This book presents timeless financial wisdom through a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon. The book follows the story of Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who shares his secrets to wealth creation. One of the most well-known principles is the concept of paying yourself first. Clason emphasizes the importance of setting aside at least 10% of your income for savings and investments. The book also highlights the importance of controlling your expenditures. Clason advises readers to distinguish between their needs and wants, and to avoid unnecessary spending. The Richest Man in Babylon is a timeless classic that offers simple yet profound financial advice. It's a must-read for anyone looking to build a solid financial foundation and achieve long-term financial security. The lessons in this book are just as relevant today as they were centuries ago. There you have it, the 7 books that can transform your financial future. These books have had a profound impact on my life and the lives of countless successful individuals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which book you're excited to read next. Remember, knowledge is power, and by investing in your financial education, you're taking a significant step towards creating a brighter financial future. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for financial freedom. Congratulations! You made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. You thought reading was the key to wealth? Not quite. It's not just about reading, it's about action. Pick a book, take one action this week, and watch your mindset shift. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone ready to level up. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.